In this video, learn how to use the YouTube migration tool in Canvas. Within your Canvas course, navigate to the left-hand course navigation links. Go to the bottom and select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. On the Settings page, click the Feature Options tab at the top of the page. This will open the Feature Options page. Scroll to the bottom of the list of feature options. You will see YouTube to Studio Content Migration. Enable this feature by clicking on the red X button in the State column. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Enabled. The red X will change to a green checkmark. This will show the YouTube migration link in the course navigation on the left side of the screen. If you don't see it, click the Refresh button on your browser window. Clicking the YouTube migration link will take you to the migration page. Click the red Scan Course button at the upper right of the screen. This will show all the pages within your course that have embedded YouTube video content. Depending on how many videos you have, this may take a while. This will show all the pages that have YouTube videos and how many of them are on your page. Your videos will be listed in a table with a Review button at the end of the row under the Action column. Click the Review button in the Action column. This will open the video in a pop-up window. To convert the video, simply click the red Convert button under the video that is to be converted. Then click the Close button. Repeat these steps for any other videos that need to be converted. As you can see, the videos that have been converted have a green check mark with the phrase, "All converted" next to each title. Additionally, the review buttons have been removed from the Action column. These two updates signify that the videos have been converted. If you get an error message that says "Content failed," the YouTube link may no longer be active, or there may be another problem on the page. Navigate to the video on that page to make sure that it works and is active. By following these steps, you have successfully migrated YouTube content so that they are embedded. They will now work in Canvas Studio.